Prasad, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, SDM Hassan. Today I am going to talk about importance of women in Ayurveda. We know that many samhitas are in the name of men, but we don't know many names of women where in samhitas where they have given importance also. When we see the history of Ayurveda, we have seen many men are there, but there are formulations where like herbal drugs also are also there, like Kumari is there, Dhatri is there, Chandana is there. These are the names of female. By this we can see that there is an importance of women is also there. In 2006 year, for herbal preparation, Shehnaz Naz Hussain got the Padma Shri award. By this we can see that there are many things where we don't know how Ayurveda have given importance for the women. Like we have a special branch which is only dedicated for women health, and when we see the Ministry of Health and Welfare, Health of Women Welfare and Child, by this also we can see that women health is also important for the nation to build a good future of children. So by following many Ayurveda dinacharyas, like regimens of dinacharya, rutucharya, we have told about Sutika Charya also. By this we can see that Ayurveda has many importance for the women health. So by following women health according to the Ayurveda, we can restore the health of women and we can build a nation, healthy nation by following Ayurveda. Like Abhyanga have told in the Ayurveda, which is given more importance for the skin of the every human. We should do the Abhyanga daily, and Utsadana is a special where a special importance is given for the women skin, because women are more concentrated about the skin. So Utsadana is one of the type of Ayurveda therapy where we can follow which restore the health of the woman. Like not only for the cosmetology, Ayurveda has given many hints for following by Ayurveda we can do the Panchakarma therapy, which is more important for health of the woman. By doing Panchakarma, like Rutu Shodhana is one of the important procedure in the Panchakarma. By that we can improve the health of everyone, so that we can give a healthy nation. Every year we celebrate International Women's Day on March 8. This year 2022, its theme is Reverse the Bias. Gender equality for the sustainable tomorrow is this year's theme. So in Ayurveda, it is not only gender bias is there. They have told many things about women also. We focus on women health more. Thank you.